What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz back here with another video. Today, I am taking my wheels to get them ceramic coated. Finally, just the weather's been bad. I've had car troubles, number of different things, but Sam is coming to pick me up here in a little bit. And the wheels, same with the wagon, the slam wagon. And, well, as you can see, I have a flat tire. I guess Spencer and I did. This is broken, hold on. So my tripod just broke, but I fixed it with duct tape. As I was saying, I have a flat tire, so I can't take the wheels in the Skyline, but here they are. And I don't think I showed you guys the center caps last time. They just say 326 power. So we're taking all the wheels, and I'm hoping, praying that he will want to put these on, because I don't know how, for one thing, and two, I think he's experienced with vinyl. So we're waiting for Sam to get here, and then we'll be headed out. What's going on? It is the next day, 9 o'clock. They have cured for 24 hours. Thanks to Spencer boy, we went and picked him up. And those spacers, I don't know if I talked to you guys about the ones from Sam. They're the wrong thread pitch, so I won't be able to use those. But I do have like advanced, like 8mm spacers, so I'm gonna at least try those and see if they clear the rear caliper. But here they are, super shiny. You guys can see like the reflection of the flashlight, and if you could feel them right now, it's like sitting on a freshly like polished, buff waxed car. Super slick. But I'm so excited to get these back. We should have grabbed those stickers from Sam, the lip stickers, but I can clean those and do that another day. But for right now, we are just going to test one wheel on the back, see if it clears, and then get the right size spacer or order them. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, so it looks like these spacers are gonna work. Now, my only concern right now is that I don't have extended lugs on here, but I have to turn these lugs like a good amount till they're, you know, rounded out, and that's just by hand. So I'll show you guys. Huh? So I'll show you guys how many turns it takes. And this is just my like science behind it. I know it's probably not accurate, but all right, that's on. And this is how many turns it takes to get till it's tight. I assume these smaller spacers won't need extended lugs. I ran like 15 mils on the BMW, and that's where I had to get different lugs, I think. But anyways, now we can lower it and check the fitment. Already it looks so much better from up here. But let's just double check, triple check. Yeah, I mean it still pokes, obviously, but that's so much better than it was before. Let me show you guys. All right, so here's the poke from the rear right now, which is, again, it's still poking, but I mean, it's something I would feel comfortable running without camber stuff in the back. But oh man, I'm so excited. I'm thinking GK Tech is what somebody recommended for the back, and then for the front, just whatever comes on the top of the coilover. But again, just looks so good. And look at the wheels, they're so shiny. I don't even have the stickers to put on, but I'm gonna make a phone call right now to Pedro. Pedro, if you're watching this, what's up, dude? I know it's kind of late, but I need to ask him if I can run the wheels like this without extended lugs. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll see y'all in just a minute. Hopefully I can put them on and we can go to downtown to Insomnia Cookies and celebrate. So fingers crossed, boys and girls, I guess. All Alright, I know you guys didn't want to watch me just time lapse that next part, so I put all the wheels on. I get like 6.5, 7 turns out of the rear ones. The front ones are fine. I did torque them as much as the impact drill will go, which is 90 pounds. I don't know if you're supposed to go to 100 on cars. I don't really know, but I haven't had any problems with the wheels getting loose before. Here it is. It is so sick, and I cannot wait to dial in the fitment on this. Like, yeah, it's poking a little, but you can't tell me it doesn't look sick. So I'm about to call Pedro. He didn't pick up. I ended up calling somebody. I called Carmelo. He said like 6.5, 7. I'm gonna call Pedro again, see what happens. Take it around the neighborhood, check them, and if it works, go to Insomnia Cookies. Fingers crossed. All right, Spencer, what do you think of this thing?
It's really nice. I'm about to drive it.
I don't know about that.
Well, I'm walking to the driver's side door, right?
Dude, hopefully that music in the background is not copyrighted. But, oh, goddamn. It looks so good. Hey, dude, you're on the wrong side. Thought I would get him. Yo, looks so good. I actually will let him drive it because I need to get some clips of it going up and down the street. So, enjoy. I think I regret this decision already. He has not figured out how to turn the lights on yet. So, yeah. It's freezing out here. It's not literally freezing. He figured out how to turn the lights on. It's not literally freezing, but it's close enough for a skinny boy like myself. Holy shit, it is cold. Oh, God. There goes my clutch. All right, let me get out of the way here. Oh, it looks so good rolling. If you beat on it, I beat you. It rubs a little bit at the moment. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Hold on. Hold on, boys. Wait. Try not to get run over here. God, this dude does not know how to use a clutch. Alright, that wasn't much of a flyby, but it still looks sick. I do have to fix the rubbing a little bit. Mom, if you're watching this, I promise I'm not gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna fix it when I can. I gotta order the camber stuff, and then it will not do that. Might have to trim the body kit a little bit more, I don't know, but I'm gonna wait for him to get back. Yo, it looks so sick. It looks so sick. Alright, don't just ignore that. Yo, is that a Skyline dog? Is that a Tomei dog? Alright, so I'm back home. We went to Sheets, as you guys saw, my favorite place in the world. Absolutely love the car. I cannot wait to order camber parts and coils for this thing. Do be patient with me. It's going to take a minute. If you guys haven't seen my last video on Monday, you should check it out and you'll understand why. I'm working on it. I understand the fitment is not like where I want it to be yet, and not really. I hope none of you guys want this, but if you do, that's, you know, that's your choice. But we're gonna get this bent in and hopefully just be like 3 to 5 degrees. Same thing up here, just like 3 to 5 degrees, and I cannot wait. I am so in love with this car. It is such a treat to drive every time I get to take it out. And again, I am so thankful I had the opportunity to buy this. Yeah, I don't really have anything else for this video. I apologize if it's a little bit shorter than normal. I felt that 10 minutes was like the best average that I could go with. One for like analytics and 2 just for watching duration. It's like the easiest to watch. So if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, drop it down in the comments below, of course. And I just want to leave you guys with a little message for 2020. Evan Shanks says this at the end of his videos where he just leaves a little piece of advice, something to think about, and it always gets me thinking, and I really enjoy it, to be honest. So my little piece of advice, take it or leave it. is if you guys are struggling, and I know a lot of people in the car community specifically struggle and they turn to cars for this stuff, but just really, really try to be grateful for what you have. Somebody is always going to have it worse. And the more you focus on what's going right in your life, the more that stuff will come. I've noticed this firsthand. I don't know how to explain it. You're just going to have to trust me and try it for yourself. But really, just be super grateful, super thankful for what you have and just waking up. So anyways, this has been Fitz Miller, the Skyline, Spencer, Sam, Zach, who powder coated the wheels, back here with another video. And I will see you guys in the next one.